Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use templates in TikTok. Templates are a fantastic way to create engaging videos quickly and easily, even if you're new to video editing. They provide a preset structure, including music, effects, and transitions, allowing you to simply add your own photos or video clips. This saves you a significant amount of time and effort, helping you keep up with trends and share your stories with the TikTok community. To begin, open your TikTok app and tap the large plus icon at the bottom center of your screen, just as you would to record a new video. Next, look for the Templates option, which is usually located right next to the camera button. You can then explore various trending templates or use the search bar to find something specific. Always preview a template to understand its flow and how many photos or videos it requires before selecting it. Once you've chosen a template that catches your eye, the next step is to add your personal touch. Tap the Select Photos/Videos button, and the app will guide you to choose the exact number of media files needed from your device's gallery. It's important to select clips that fit the template's structure and duration. You can easily reorder or swap out your photos and videos until everything looks just right, ensuring your story comes to life. After adding your media, take a moment to review your video. Make sure all your clips are perfectly synchronized with the template's music and effects. While templates provide a great base, you can often add extra text, fun stickers, or even adjust the sound levels to further personalize your creation. Once you are completely satisfied, write a compelling caption, add some trending hashtags, and then simply tap post to share your awesome new video with the world.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.